Hello everyone, I'm Marina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I have another latest in beauty unboxing today, and this is the November box. So if it's your first time coming to my channel, the way I do my unboxings is that I give you a little bit of an overview of my last box, and then I go into the actual unboxing itself. I used to give a little bit of a spiel about latest beauty, but I felt like I was repeating myself a lot, so now what I do is leave information in the description box along with a referral code if you want to use it. And if you do have additional questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll answer what I know and what I can. And before we get into the video, just a quick reminder to give this video a thumbs up, as it really helps me out. Subscribe to my channel if you like what you see, and also hit the bell so you know when I upload. Okay, so now I am going to go into October box and tell you what I thought of the items that I've used so far from October box. Okay, so first in October I had the Kate Somerville Exfoliate scrub. Right, this one, my skin took a little bit of time to adjust to it. When I first applied it, I couldn't keep it on for more than 10 seconds because it does have a burning feeling. It does say on the packaging that it will give you that little bit of a burning feeling, and it's normal and it's supposed to do that. But the first time it was quite unbearable. I had to take it off straight away, and then second and third time I could keep it on for maybe 30 seconds tops, and you're supposed to keep it on for 2 minutes to get the full effect of the product. But I think it's now maybe I've used it 5-6 times and I can get closer to 2 minutes. So for my skin it did take a while to get there and you know, get used to the product. I do think it's quite good for exfoliating because when I started to get closer to those 2 minutes, my skin felt so incredibly soft after. So yeah, I think it's worth persevering with it, and so far I'm happy with it. Then I had from Freshly Cosmetics the Green Vitamin Concentrate Serum, which I did say last time that I won't be using soon because I have other serums to use up and I haven't used it yet. Okay, then I had the Luxie brush. It was the dual fiber brush, and I really enjoy this one. It works really well for both powder and cream, and it works well for foundation as well, so I quite like that one. I had two lipsticks from Nabla. I had shade My Rules and Eve. They're both really nice. I applied them on camera last time. I applied Eve on camera last time. And it did have that a little bit of a tingly feeling. That one goes away once the lipstick dries down. They are quite nice. I don't have pictures with me wearing them, but they are nice. I'm enjoying them. And then the last thing in my box was a trial size of the Form Super Blend Protein. I have used this according to the instructions and made my little protein shake, and I have to say I really hated the taste of it. It was a toffee flavor. It didn't taste nice at all, so it won't be one that I would go out and get. Like, no, I really didn't enjoy that one. But you know, it's there to try it, so you don't have to buy the whole thing and then realize you actually hate the taste and it's like, what do I do with it now? So yeah, that was my box for October. Okay, now we get into the box for November. As you can see, it's already open. The thing is, when my latest in beauty box arrives, everyone in the family wants to see what I got, and I want to see what I got too, so it's not a surprise for me anymore. Well, I do pick my own items, so it's not like it's a big surprise, but I do have a chance to kind of like have a feel of the products and have a look at them a little bit. So yeah, let's show you what I've got. So first I have this satin slip mask from Smug, and it's the Pride design. I got this one for my daughter. She really enjoys using eye masks for sleep. And because, you know, she's still a child, and this would be too big for her, she said, oh, just staple it, mommy. So we put a couple of staples on the band, but I will sew it properly. She enjoys it. So okay, then I got something else from Freshly Cosmetics. It's the Rose Quartz Facial Cleanser. I do love cleansers. Probably my favorite skincare item. So I'm very excited to use this. Yeah, smells nice. I think I will enjoy using that. Then from Dr. Popo, I've got the Scrub and Nourish Lip Sugar Scrub and Balm. Oh, I just realized. So you got your scrub at the top and balm at the bottom. Yeah. Right, so that's what it looks like. And that's the scrub at the top. And then there's another layer there, and that's the balm. That's quite interesting. I thought it was just scrub, but no, it's scrub and balm. So yeah, that's really cool. And I've got another lipstick. This one is a mini lipstick. I don't know what it's up for me. I just like trying lipsticks lately. Okay, and this one is from Bare Minerals, the Bare Pro Longwear Lipstick in shade Petal. And that's what a lipstick looks like. And you know I'll give you a swatch, right? Because I'm very curious myself. Oh, this feels so creamy. So that's Petal there. Oh, I hope this shade will be good. Because it feels so creamy. Can't wait to use that. And then I got from Bumble and Bumble the Baby Illuminated Blonde Tone Enhancing Leave-In. As you can see, I do need to dye my hair, but the thing is, I had one of those blonde shampoos, or shampoos for blondes, but I didn't find it that effective. So I'm thinking I really do need a conditioner or something that stays in my hair for a little bit longer. So I thought I might as well try this, and I know Bumble and Bumble is a really good hair care brand. So yeah, we have the Blonde Tone Enhancing Leave-In. It says apply to damp hair from roots to ends, comb through and style. So yeah. And that's all there is in my box, because I have this piece of paper that says, "Dear latest in beauty customer, thank you for your recent order. Unfortunately, due to a stock count error, we are unable to send the Terre Les Infusions wax melts product you ordered." So yeah, I also wanted the wax melts, but unfortunately they're not in here. We greatly apologize for this and any disappointment this may cause. As a token of apology, we would like to send you 2 alternative products as a replacement. We would really appreciate you sending customer service an email to hello@latestinbeauty.com with the following: your original order number, and then the names of 2 alternative products you would like from the Latest in Beauty box monthly selection to replace the wax melts. So I was thinking, I want to try the Awaken toothpaste, so I know that that's going to be one item. But second item, I'm thinking either another sleep mask or maybe a nail polish. I'm not quite sure. I'll still have to think of what my second item will be. Just a quick update on the items that I've chosen in the end, because I've just sent the email. So I've chosen the peppermint toothpaste from Awaken Mouth Care and the Bright Eyed Illuminating Eye Cream from BIBY. So my total will include these. So yeah, 5 items in my box so far, but I've got 2 others to pick, which will probably arrive a week later after I send them the email or something. And they will be included when I do my unboxing for December. But that's not all that's in the box. We still have a couple of freebies. So we have one freebie that was available for everyone, which is the Floral Street perfume in Arizona Bloom. And it doesn't really say the notes of it, so I will have to spray it. And I'm so bad at describing scents, so I just have to tell you whether I like it or not, basically. When it's first sprayed, I quite like it. I'll show you the other one, the other freebie, and then I'll get back to it. So the other freebie was for Pro members. You had to put a code in, and it's another perfume sample from BBK. And this one doesn't have much information about it either, so I will spray it on my other wrist. Oh, so far I do like this one better. Right, I can't tell which is which anymore, so I will go online and have a look at the notes and just tell you what the notes are, because my senses are in overdrive right now. Okay, so the 3 notes in the Floral Street one, the Arizona Bloom one, are coconut, jasmine petals, and salted musks. And then this one from Billy Kay is the Gris Charnel one, and it's woody, warm, spicy, and aromatic. And I can definitely smell the spice, the warm spiciness of it. That's quite a nice autumn fragrance. So yeah, that's 2 freebies. And there's a little overview of my box of everything that I got this so far. So 5 items, waiting on 2 freebies. That's my box for November. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you also get Latest in Beauty, let me know down below what you got for October, for November, or what are you planning on picking if you haven't done your picks yet. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!